jalapeno popper deviled egg. Yolks up. Dude, that's so good. You guys have to try this one. Check it out. To start off with these jalapeno deviled eggs, we're going to use some basic ingredients here like black peppercorns, jarred pickled jalapenos, a good block of cream cheese, some fresh jalapenos, and some bacon. First step, we're going to hard boil those eggs until those yolks pop right out just like this, and if you do it right, they should just fall out easy peasy. After that, we're going to poop our cream cheese into our bowl. If you want the actual amounts, you can look in the description for the full recipe. After that, we're going to dump in some of that jarred pickled jalapeno juice. That's going to give us our twang. I'm going in with a little bit of black pepper here. And then lastly, we're going to chop up some of those pickled jalapenos to go inside the filling. It'll add a nice little vinegar tang punch inside of the yolks. Once you have all those ingredients together in your bowl, you're just going to mash the shit out of these things until they're nice and fluffy. Again, for actual amounts of ingredients, go look in our description. I put it all in there for you. After your arm has been hurting for a little bit and you've got this thing whisked together real nicely, it should look really fluffy like this. Then it's time to put it into our piping bag. So either use a piping bag or use a Ziploc bag like I did here. And we're just going to pipe all of that beautiful fluffy jalapeno filling into our eggs. Just like taking a poop. Once you're done piping those in there, I'm just going to add a big slice of fresh jalapeno on top of these things. These will make them look really nice for our picture, but it'll also add a good fresh crunch. And hopefully a little bit of spice. Just stick them in there so they look real nice. And after that, we're going to go in with some of our bacon. Here I have some whole, delicious, crunchy bacon that I'm going to slice up into some big, thick cuts. We're going to add these as a garnish as well. That way it sticks out and makes these things pop. And lastly, I'm just going to crumble up some of that bacon in my hand like this. It feels really good on my skin. And I'm just going to crumble this over the top of these eggs for a nice little garnish and to make them look beautiful. I mean, look at these things. They look delicious and they were delicious.